Can I be honest? Well, of course I can be honest. Most leadership advice makes leadership sound way more complicated than it really is. Communicate clearly, build trust, set direction, hold people accountable, develop your team. Right? None of that's new. The challenge isn't understanding leadership. That challenge is doing it consistently. When you're tired, when you're frustrated, when you're under pressure, when you're not getting any support, and the results aren't coming fast enough, and you're getting asked all the questions why. And that's where the leadership gets difficult, not because the principles changed, because consistency got harder. And anybody can lead well for a week. Anybody can communicate clearly during a good month end. The real test is whether your people can predict who you'll be under pressure, because trust is built through that consistency. And consistency is where leadership is going to separate you from just having good intentions.